Good morning, all of you. Today we can discuss the exercise questions from page number 31. So, first you take question number 7 from exercise 2.4, question number 7. Read the question first. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt materials that cost him 50 rupees per meter and trouser material that cost him 90 rupees per meter. For every 3 meters of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. He sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is 36,600 rupees. How much trouser material did he buy? That is the question. So, if anybody not clear the question, again read it. Okay, and first try to understand the meaning of the question. It's a long question. We want to do some more calculation here. It will take time. So, all of you listen each steps very carefully. So, first we can just discuss what informations are given in the questions and what we want to find out. Okay, so here it is discussing about two types of materials that a man, Hassan, buys for selling as a business. So, first given, he shirt material, the cost of shirt material for 1 meter, that is given how much rupees? 50 rupees. Okay, that means cost of 1 meter shirt material is 50 rupees and cost of 1 meter trouser material is 90 rupees. Okay, and also given for every 3 meters of the shirt material he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. What is its means? That means we can take the ratio of the shirt materials to trouser material, we can take it as 3:2. And also he sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. That means he sells shirt materials at a profit of 12% and he sells trouser material at a profit of 10%. Then what we want to find out? We want to find out how much trouser material did he buy. If he got all the sale amount, if he got the sale amount as his total sale is given 36,600 rupees. Then what will be? Then how much trouser materials did he buy? That is the question. So let us start. First we can take the ratio of the shirt materials to trouser material is given 3:2. Okay, and also given we just assume or we can take the shirt material he purchased. How much shirt materials he purchased? That because the ratio is given 3:2. So in the case of shirt materials it will be 3 and trouser material it will be 2. So we can take, let shirt materials purchased we can take it as 3x and trouser material he purchased, that means the quantity of trouser material he purchased equal 2x meter. So from the statement, that is for each material, shirt materials, cost of shirt material for 1 meter, that is given 50 rupees. So what will be the cost of shirt material for 3x meter? So 3x into 50, that will get 150x. Just like cost of trouser material for 1 meter, how much? 90 rupees. Therefore cost of trouser materials for 2x meter will be 2x into 90, that will be 180x. And also it is given Hassan sells the shirt materials at 12% profit. So profit percentage is given 12. From that we want to find out how much profit he got in the selling of shirt material. So that we can find out, how we can find out profit. Profit equal 12% of cost price. Okay, here the percentage of profit is given 12. So 12% of cost price. So 12% of, what is the cost price of that shirt material? 150x. So 12% into 150x, we will get how much? 18x. So what will be the selling price of shirt material? So first we find out the profit for shirt material. Just after we find out, then what will be the selling price of shirt materials? Selling price, we know selling price equal cost price plus profit. That means 150x plus 18x. So it will be 168x. Okay. Just like Hassan sells the trouser materials at a 10% profit. So how we can find out the profit will be how much? 10% of CP. That means 10% of 180x, because that we find out here. Trouser materials, what is the cost of trouser material for 2x meter? That we find out here 180x. So that we can take here to find out the profit. Profit will be 10% of 180x. That will get 18x. So what will be the selling price of trouser material? So that will be CP plus profit. What is the CP? 180x. And profit we find it as 18x. The sum of these two will be 198x. And also given the total sale amount is given how much? 36,600 rupees. So that we can equate. That means 168x. That is the sale amount gets from shirt materials, that we find it as 168x. And the total sale amount get from trouser materials, that is 198x. That is total is given in the question as 36,600. Then add these two, adding these two, 168 plus 198, we will get 366x. That's equal to 36,600. From that we can find out the value of x. 36,600 by 366. That's equal to 100. So what we want to find out here? Find the how much trouser materials did he buy. So the trouser material purchased, then firstly we take it as 2x. Yes, firstly we take it as 2x. So that equates to the next trouser material purchased equal 2x. That is equal to 2 into 100 is equal to 200 meter. Next we can discuss the sixth question from that exercise. Same exercise, sixth question also. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate 100 rupees per meter, it will cost the village panchayat at 75,000 rupees to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? That is the question. Here it is discussing about a land that is in which shape? Rectangle shape. Okay. And its length and breadth ratio is given 11:4. So what we can take it as the length? Length we can take it as 11x. So breadth we can take it as 4x. Why? Because the ratio is given 11:4. Length to breadth. Okay. That is given 11:4. And also for fencing, we know what we want to find out for fencing that plot. It will be for that total length for fencing will be the total perimeter of that land. So perimeter of the plot, its equation we know how to find out the perimeter of a rectangle shape. using the equation 2 into L plus B, that's equal to 2 into, instead of L, length what we can substitute 11x, and breadth it will be 4x. So 2 into 15x will get, what is it? 2 into 15x will be 30x. And also given the cost of fencing for 1 meter is given 100 meter. Okay, the total cost of fencing given from that panchayat, that is given how much? 75,000 rupees. From that too we can find out how much part of the, how much land or plot, how much plot we want to fence. That what will be the length of the plot which want to be fenced. That length we can find out from these two. How we can find it? From the total cost of fencing divided by cost of fencing for 1 meter. That means 75,000 by 100, that's equal to 750 meter. So also we find out the perimeter of the plot. First we find out here 30x. Okay, that too we can equate. And here we got the perimeter of the plot as 750 meter. See, these two we can equate as 30x equal 750 meter. Therefore x equal 750 by 30, that's equal to 25. From that we can find out length. What we take it as length as first? 11 into x. So 11 into 25, you will get 275 meter. And also breadth will be equal to 4x, that's equal to 4 into 25, that's equal to 100 meter. That we want to find out, is it? We want to find what are the dimensions of the plot. That is the question. So the dimensions: length equal 275 meter and breadth equal 100 meter. Okay, clear? So all of you do this, copy down this full answers with full steps on your notebook, and if you have any doubts you can call me, and also repeat these steps by writing, study by writing, and if any doubts you can call me. Okay, thank you.